Go and get your flour, get your water, get your salt, get your oil, get your yeast, throw it all together, and good luck. That is the Italian way. This is no one can do this but this guy and pizzaiolas, trust me. Let's make some pizza. We're making pizza dough. What do we need? Flour.
Flour.
Water.
Yeast.
Do you put olive oil in yours?
Yeah.
I do too. Salt? Of course.
Yes.
Our chef is a little salty. I love cooking with Leo. Leo's like my son. So we have our moments where, you know, I can tell he's crabby. He has his moments with me when I'm being super bossy. But at the end of the day, we really love each other. We love working together. Do you know what salty means?
Salato.
No, it means you're a little bit, doesn't it mean you're a little crabby or you're a little bitchy?
Crabby.
Yeah, I don't think he knows what that means. Work with people that don't understand you. So Leo, have we established if you're single? Are you on any of the apps that people could look you up on?
Maybe.
Like where does she
Instagram.
find you? On your Instagram.
Yeah.
And what is so write this down, people. No, I'll put it below what his Instagram is. What's your Instagram? Find me right here. So if you want to communicate with Leo, just write below. I'll hook you up. Okay, let's make some pizza.
Okay.
How many grams of flour for the pizza?
1,000 grams.
1,000 grams, which is about
1 kilo.
So a little over 4 cups. Can you imagine trying to get recipes out of this guy for the cookbook sometimes? Oh my God, it was like... Actually, this recipe is from my original cookbook, which was Picture Perfect Parties. If you want it below. It's actually a great book. It's got really nice party recipes, very basic, easy, makes you look great. There's a pizza party at the end, super fun. And then my cookbook that's coming out September 13th is called, what's it called? My book?
I love you, Leo.
I Love You, Leo. That's the name of my book. It's called At the Table of La Fortezza. Come si dice questo in italiano?
Alla tavola della Fortezza.
I like it better in Italian.
Sì.
Are you getting the impression I don't like the name of my book? Well, then you're correct. But I didn't name it. So first thing you do is put the flour in. So I throw the whole thing in there. I don't know what he's doing, but I just throw the whole thing. I put the whole thing in. I put the whole thing in. I put the whole thing in. The whole thing.
Okay.
And then I use a
It's
whisk.
faster.
I use a whisk.
A whisk.
All right, get out of there. Get out of there.
Please.
Get out of. Where's my whisk? Get me a whisk. Get me a whisk. Okay, here. Found it.
Okay.
You know, even if you're using dry yeast, sorry, I hit the camera. I suggest that you whisk it. Actually activates the yeast faster. Your Fleischmann's yeast, Fleischmann's, hit me up below, Fleischmann's, because I use a lot of your leavening. It's quite good. We do pizza night every Friday night at my house. Oh God, all right. Okay, so it's nice and mixed up, right? You see little bubbles on it, and then that goes in. I hope that's the right amount of water. Is this the correct amount of water?
No. We do.
More water?
Now we do.
Well, wait, now, let me have an answer here. Is this is it? This is
Step by step.
3 cups, 1 cup
Sì.
flat.
Sì.
Okay, and this was how much water? This is what I'm talking about Italian recipes. I mean, it's like, follow the recipe. So is this 1 cup of water? Was this, what was this? How many cups?
No cups. It was just some water.
Most disorganized kitchen in the world. The people that are watching this, they want to know the facts. Really? I have 3 cups of flour, people, 1 cup of water, 1 brick of yeast, 1 tablespoon of salt, 3 tablespoons of olive oil. We're going to write it below. I don't know what's going on here, but somehow we're going to get to a pizza dough. Don't worry. Really? Get it together, Leo.
Sì.
Forget it. I'm just going to do it now. I gave them the recipe. Mamma mia.
You are doing it in the Italian way. We
I'm
don't
doing
have
it.
a recipe for pizza dough. We add water, and when the dough is ready, say, I'm ready.
Okay, so people, here's the deal. Go and get your flour, get your water, get your salt, get your oil, get your yeast.
Assentimento.
Throw it all together, and good luck. That is the Italian way. I'm with you. So this is like a cooking show. Where did you clue out of this? I'm not doing it again. I don't have time. I keep redoing recipes. Will you come look at this? I think it's good. I would pull it out now and throw a little flour on it. So let's show the camera what it looks like. So it's very soft. See how soft it is? Like fresh Play-Doh. Fresh though, not the one that your daughter's played with for 3 months. It's oily enough that it actually pulls up off the board.
I think it's okay.
Okay, and then we're gonna put it in a bowl to rise. I'll get the bowl. What I do is I make my pizza dough in the morning, and then I just cover it and I put it out on the counter and I forget about it until pizza night. The other thing you can do is you can make it the day before. You can put it in the refrigerator and it will slowly rise. All right, so then you put it in this bowl and then you cover it with a towel or plastic. So this guy will just go someplace that's not drafty. As I said, I leave it there for a few hours. It doubles in size and then we cut it into some balls. This guy, fantastic. So we do pizza night every Saturday night for our retreats, and it's the most funnest night. Where's your hat? Usually you have your hat on when you're a pizzaiola. You have like ash on your nose. This is really fun, and we get everybody to make their own pizza, so they get to shove it in there. Should we make some pizza?
Sì.
What kind of pizza should we start with?
The your one.
What?
Burrata and
Burrata
zucchini flour.
and okay, perfect, fantastic. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna let Leo, I'll make one too. I mean, we'll both make a pizza.
Oh, with the Margherita and you do...
No, start with the burrata one. Go for it.
Burrata one,
Yes,
okay.
we'll have that one first. We'll just be eating pizza the whole time, stuffing our faces with pizza. So here's a tip for you in America. What we do is most Americans have a gas grill. And if you have a gas grill, you turn it up as high as it can go. You put your pizza stone in it before you turn it on. Let it sit for 15 minutes, no longer, because you'll burn your pizza if you leave it longer. 15 minutes. Then you take your pizza, you put it on a peel. You can buy very groovy peels on Amazon. Amazon, you can hit me up. This is a pizza peel. The one you're gonna buy from Amazon is the same size, but it's shorter. And they store in your cabinet because they break apart. I love mine. I use it every Friday. You make it just like we make it here, exactly. And then you take it, I usually have my husband open the grill hood, you throw it in there. It takes about, I think we've got it now down to 3 minutes. So check it after 3 minutes. And then if it's not where you like it, just set your timer for 1 more minute. Do not set it for another 3. Check it again, it'll be done. Pull it out with the peel. They're perfect. Lots of cornmeal on the peel. I call them ball bearings because they help the pizza move. You want it to move on the peel so that you can throw it into the oven and even throw it into the grill. You want it, cornmeal is your friend. Rough cornmeal. Maestro?
Grazie, maestro.
Italians like it when you call them maestro. So he uses flour. I use cornmeal. It's really rough. He put it on his board. Again, I can't do this. And you know what? You can't do this. So I'm gonna show you how you can be successful at home doing this. Because this is BS. No one can do this but this guy and pizzaiolas. Trust me, there's gonna be a lot of screaming. So I'm gonna make the next one and show you how you can be successful doing this And if you like this video, like and subscribe below. Let's make some pizza. You have to spin it. Spinning is important because you want to get this even crust. He makes a perfect pizza. The only reason he's here, because he makes it. That pizza, by the way, looks stunning. It's the supermodel of pizzas. Is no one taking my picture? What's happening?
Yeah, thumbnail. By the oven.
Boy, the oven. The thing with chefs is, you know, it's like a bad love affair. You fall in love with them and then they depart and then you're really sad. But Leo will be with me forever.
Sí.
Right, Leo?
Sí, correct.
Say that on camera because then I can sue you.
I will be here forever with my pail.
Right now I'm doing exactly the same thing he did. I'm just stretching the dough out. So one of the tips I'm going to tell you is that this happens to everybody. They start pulling this apart and see it's starting to like let up. And then they go, oh, you know, this isn't the perfect shape. It's got holes in it. I'm going to crumple it back up and start again. Don't do that. Do not do that. Because what will happen is you'll never stretch it out again. It just seizes the glutens and then, you know, and then you're like, what happened? But you can also just take it and just kind of let gravity do its thing. And if you have a hole in it, don't worry about it. It's dough, people. Just, you know, do the little, it's all good. But slowly, slowly it gets bigger, right, Leo?
Correct.
I can't believe I just said that. Some of the stuff that comes out of my mouth, sometimes I'm like, nope, nope, not good. So I put lots of corn flour on the peel, because what are they? Training wheels. This is how your pizza will look. It'll be a little funky. Play around with it. This is thick here, you can pull it over. Don't press down too hard, because it won't move around. See, so as soon as you press it, I'm gonna show you because I think it doesn't move, so you have to make sure it's moving. It's very important. And no holes because all the cheese will go through and then you'll be really upset and your fire's gonna be happening, it's gonna be horrible. So you don't wanna over sauce your pizza. See how I'm not pressing down? If you put too much sauce on it, then it soaks it up and then it won't come off the peel, and then again, disastero, and you don't need that much sauce. All right, so then, you know, you're gonna do your cheese. These are nice little pieces you did though.
Grazie.
All right, so there we go. So you wanna try it, so you make sure it's moving around. Don't be afraid of the pizza. If you're afraid of the pizza knows you're afraid of it. No fear. I'm all about my recipes being successful. Could you write below if you do a pizza and the dough and everything in your grill? Because I would love to hear about how it goes for you. I think it's going to change. It's life-changing. Wait, please hold. The other thing about it is it's a little cooler towards the front of the pizza oven. So if I feel like it's going too fast and it's too hot, then I pull it forward. But you really have to watch. I like a little burnty pizza. There we go. There's the pizza. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed our pizza segment. I hope you'll come here for a pizza party. We've got about 8 retreats next year, and we hope to see you here. So I'm gonna go off, I'm gonna grab my beer, I'm gonna slice up some of this stuff and enjoy it with my crew here, because here at Annette Joseph's La Fortezza, we do like to feed our crew and give them a break. So we are all going to, because you know, I'm part of the crew too. Okay, let's eat.
Margherita pizza.